Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Again, thank you for watching to my previous vlogs. Hope you subscribe to my channel if you want to see updates on my Hot Wheels collections. So today I'm going to show you my collection for my 2017 Jeep Wrangler. So this is the 2017 Jeep Wrangler of Hot Wheels. I bought it at 119.75 pesos at Toy Kingdom. So this one is from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. This is designed by Phil Rilman, which is a die-cast stuff. So this one is customized truck made by Jeep, and as you can see, there's a 024 and Hot Wheels logo on the side. There's also the logo of Jeep. The wheel type is blower wheel type, and the interior is dark gray. Not sure if you can see it. There. I'll just focus it on my camera. So the window is a clear window. There. And the interior is dark gray. So I'm not sure if you can see it. So at the back, it's a gray XOX plus X. So the base is black. So this is the Jeep Wrangler. I'm focusing it for you guys. So this one is also made from Malaysia. There's a 2017 Mattel there. So this one is really cute Jeep Wrangler. I really like the design, the color, and the blur type of wheel because it's really huge. So I really like those kind of trucks with that have a blur type of wheels because it's huge and very nice and attractive to collectors. So the color is very attractive also. So red is a very nice color. I think this is a shiny red because you can see that it's shining there. So the headlights are very detailed there. Let's see I can see the tail headlights. So grill front there. This one is very cute, very unique design, and I really like collecting this kind of Hot Wheels because it's very nice, very unique. And this one is also hard to find in the toy stores, so it's really hard to have this kind of cheap Wrangler. So lucky to those who have this kind of Wrangler. And also for the other colors, so there's a dark red, metal flake green, light blue, metal flake gray, and the black orange. The orange one, it's a little bit the same with this red, but if you get the orange one, that one is a T-Hunt. So hope you guys also have it. So I wonder how the T-Hunt looks. So this one is very nice. So the T-Hunt one is look also the same like this, though the color is orange, and I think there's a combination of other color, not just sure about it. So this is the Jeep logo at the back of it. So there's a 10 cars that are released by Hot Wheels under Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. Okay, so thank you guys for watching for my 17 Jeep Wrangler Hot Wheel collection. So hopefully we can have the other colors of this too. Thanks for watching. Bye.